This is dust cleaning gel to clean your car. All those little nooks and crannies where dust and debris collect. This is to clean that up, and it's very easy. You just pull this gel out of the jar. Let me show you. Your hands have to be dry to do this, so it won't stick to your hands. And then we'll just pull it out. It's kind of like slime, but it's pretty solid. Okay, it all comes out like that, and then you can manipulate it, you can stretch it, and then you just press it on whatever you want to clean. Let me show you. The company that makes this cleaning gel is Ticarve, and I want to thank them for sending me this sample to try out so that I could make a shoppable video and show you how to use it. I'm just holding it and squeezing it a little. I want to press it into this vent, so I'm going to press it in pretty good, and then I can pull it out. And any dust that was on the louvers has come out, and it's now on the gel. So I'm just going to kind of press it in and turn it to a cleaner spot and do it again, so I'll get it all clean all the way across. It's really easy. And then I'll go up here to the little screen, get it, and these knobs down here, all these little places where dust collects. You can get it really clean for a change. Just like that. And the best place to use it, I think, is in the cup holders. They just get so cruddy. So I'm just pressing it in. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Now, this one's pretty dirty. Let's see what happens. Oh, a big chunk of it. Something stuck to the gel. It's dirt or something. It's something we don't want. We want to clean this place up. I don't know what that is that's stuck in there, but oh, it's coming off. It is coming off. Much better. And then it's on the gel. I'm just going to fold the gel in on itself to get a clean spot. And then I'm going to this opening and clean it. And that's how it works. It's really doing a good job on the car. And you can use it for other things too. You can use it for your keyboard on your computer. That collects a lot of dust, and you need to keep it clean too. So I'm very pleased with this, and I would highly recommend it.